Yo, what's up guys? My name is Kara Essay, and in today's video I'll be breaking down a Soulful Jazzy Sample. And before I forget, my sample pack lunch and dinner is out, and the link to the sample pack will be in the description of this video, so please check it out if you want to hear what I was cooking. And without saying much, I started this video by using an E-piano from stage 73, and this is how it sounds like. So from that sound, I decided to add a piano from Piano Tech, and this is how the piano from Piano Tech sounds like. And so after that, I added a Celeste from Piano Tech as well, and this is how it sounds like. And after the Celeste, I figured that the sample was already done, so it just needed a bass guitar to add to the flavor of the sample. So I used the bass guitar from Modo Bass, and this is how it sounds like. So yeah, after the bass, I ended up adding a pad as well as other things, but I'll break them down right now. So the pad sounds like this. And after the pad, I added strings to add movement to the sample, and this is how the strings sound like. And still on the strings, I added a violin and a spiccato from X-Band, and this is how it sounds like. And after that, I added a Rhodes from Lounge Lizard, and this is how it sounds like. And so after the Rhodes, I added a bunch of instruments, and the instruments go as follows. I added a guitar from SRX World Orchestra, a trombone from SRX Orchestra, a Rhodes from Lounge Lizard, a trombone from SRX Orchestra as well as a brass from SRX Orchestra. I also added trumpets from X-Band, as well as texture to glue the sample together. with the additional percussion on top of that, and combined this is how they sound like. So yeah, those are the additional instruments that I added. I forgot to also mention that I also added automation for the strings to make them sound realistic. I also added a vox underneath the strings. So for the effects, Violin Spiccato, I just added fruity delay too. And for the master effects, I added a radiator, which is the Soundtoys plugin. So why I added it is to add saturation to the plugin, to the sample, to make it seem a little bit old and much more wider in terms of frequencies. I also added a Pukechild 670 stereo, which is a compressor plugin from Waves to glue the instruments in the samples. And I also added a PX limiter to bring the gain up of the sample. And with all that said, this is the final sample, and it sounds like this. And yeah, that's the final sample. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, as well as my other videos. And I'll see you again next week. Thank you for watching again.